When you have 2,000 ringgit to spend to find the best value smartphone, you most likely will consider the new Vivo V60 and also the Samsung Galaxy A56. Well, I have both of the phones here with me. So in this video, let's compare. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let's start the video by looking at the design for both these devices. Ching ching. The Vivo V60 I have here is in berry purple color and looks very elegant. The material is frosted glass, which is very comfortable to hold. And on the front, we have a quad curved display with super narrow bezels. Now for the A56, the design is quite simple and clean. To be honest, there really isn't much to discuss here because it looks like just any other Samsung phone. Now, design preference is very subjective, okay? So I am not sure whether you like something like this or you like something like this. So let me know in the comments below which one is the winner here. Now let's talk about the most important feature, camera. The Vivo V60 is co-engineered with ZEISS. Can you see this? So that also means the photo quality will always be amazing. It has 50 megapixel ZEISS main camera with OIS, 50 megapixel ZEISS telephoto camera, which is the same as the one used on the Vivo X200, the flagship device by the way, and 8 megapixel ZEISS ultra wide. On the front, the selfie camera is also 50 megapixel ZEISS. Amazing! Now, let's talk about the Galaxy A56 camera. It has a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel zoom and a 5 megapixel ultra wide. Selfie camera is just 12 megapixels. Now just by looking at the camera specs, we already know who is the winner, the Vivo V60. But of course, we gotta see the sample photos, right? So let's talk about photos. Now when it comes to zoom, the Vivo V60's telephoto stage portrait truly excels because it has a 10 times zoom up to 100 times. So even if you're in the stadium, concert, or just like me hiding among the bush to let your friends spot you in a game of hide and seek, you can also do that without problem. Everything can. Portraits are also great with 23mm, 85mm and 100mm focal length. Also, with AI Aura Light portrait, faces are brightened in any scenario. It is actually very convenient. So what do you think of the sample photos from both the phones? Well, if you ask me, looking at the comparison, I realized that the photos taken using the Vivo V60 is actually more vibrant and also very sharp. And of course, I super like the bokeh effect, which is very realistic and natural. And compared to the Samsung one, I feel it's a little bit dull, a little bit flat. Overall, it's just not very interesting to see. If you were to post it on Instagram or whatever, I am very sure you need to edit them before you post. But on the Vivo one, the photos look very vibrant, so I guess it is safe to just post on Instagram without editing. Now, one thing to add, okay, which is one of my favorite thing about taking portrait photos on the Vivo V60. When you tap on the aperture button, you can actually select the kind of bokeh effects that you want to get in the background when you take portrait photos. So for example, there's this Biostar, there's also B-Speed, Sauna, Plana, and many more. And these are all ZEISS effects bokeh. So you get all of those professional bokeh in this phone. Now when it comes to battery, I can straight away tell you which one is the winner here, okay? The clear winner is the Vivo V60 because it has a 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56, which is only 5000 mAh. Now, charging is also faster on the Vivo V60, okay? Because it has a 90-watt charging compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56, which is only 45 watt. 45 watt in 2025? Let's move on. The Vivo V60 also excels in multiple aspects, like the new chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 with more advanced CPU and better GPU. It is also rated IP68 and IP69 versus the Samsung at only IP67 only. This means the Vivo V60 has flagship level water and also dust resistant. Now on the front, it has diamond shield glass, and that also means it is also drop resistant. So that's the flagship diamond shield glass, okay? First time being used on a V series, and you can also use it to shoot videos, shoot photos continuously for 2 hours under the swimming pool, which is about 1.5 meters max. So if you have made the choice to get the Vivo V60, it is now available at all Vivo concept stores, online store, Shopee, Lazada from 1999 ringgit for the 12 plus 256 version and 2299 for the 12 plus 512 version.